In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fill a shape with an image here in Canva. Now I have two shapes just here. Now one of them is just a standard shape. The other is a Canva frame. Now to actually fill a shape with an image here in Canva, we have to utilize frames. Now to know the difference, all we have to do is come over to Elements. Right here, these are shapes. These will not work, but if we scroll down to here, these are frames, and that's what we use. Because if we take a look just here, let's go ahead and enlarge this image. If we try and put this image into this shape, it's not going to work. But whereas if we take this image and then just hover over this frame, it automatically puts it into the shape, just like that. Then if we want to adjust this, all we have to do is double click. Then we can make bigger by dragging the corners like this, and then we can move to adjust to wherever we want. Then we can click done, just like that. Now if we come back over to Elements and if we click back on Frames and see all, we can see they have all these different basic shapes, and if we click on see all of that as well, these are all the different types of shapes that we can use and fill with any type of image that we want. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to fill a shape with an image here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.